My name is Nancy McCullough. I work at LSL. My title is Maintainer 1. I work under a manager, and we have about 30 people. I'm in Zone 5. My day starts at 5 a.m. Come in, we meet with our manager, all of us. We basically start out with a schedule that says you need to do this, 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 complete days, meaning completely do a room or completely do a carpet or an office. So my day, I started out, I have my sheet, I know what it is, but I do trash first so I can go check, assess, see if, there's a water break, ceiling fell in. Sometimes there's overflow in one area that needs to get done quick. You do need to make decisions, watch your time, and prioritize. It's a lot of prioritizing. You need to kind of work individually, but in a group well. We definitely have a diverse population of people all through UMass as a whole. In Zone 5 in itself, just here at LSL, I work with somebody from Germany, I work from somebody from Nepal, so they're learning from me. I'm actually going to go visit Nepal. So we are friends and we do work together, and I'm pretty proud of that. UMass is a great place to start a career. Doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter where you're from. It's an open door because they do have an educational program through the career ladder where they pay for you to get better educated, like in Excel programming, computers, English. There's a lot of people that take the English classes, and it's free of charge. So if you want to take advantage of those beginnings, they're there. The career ladder, the apprentice programs. If you don't and you're happy where you are, you can stay there. As maintainers, and my goal, and I know my coworkers' goals, because I see it when I walk through the building. We definitely, as a collaborative, love our building, and we do take pride. So we, as a whole, Zone 5, are pretty proud of our building.